Now, this is how you can remove a repost on a TikTok. So let me just open up the TikTok app like this, and you're gonna notice that I can be inside of any video I want. I can click on share and tap the repost button. So as you can see, it is this one, the yellow one, which says repost. And if I click it, essentially it's gonna appear part of my profile, really. So if I come back and go to my own profile in there, you can see that when I switch from the main post to the repost, I have it in here. So you can at first go to your profile, tap the repost, and this is the video which I can find in here. And right now, if I do the same thing but in the reverse, meaning that I also click on share, I can click on remove or delete the repost. Right, so as you can see, there is the yellow button which doesn't say repost anymore but deleted. So you can kind of click it like this, and it was removed from the repost list. So it is very simple. In fact, that's how it usually works, and sometimes something might happen. In every case, you should make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app, so check it out on the App Store. If there is a new update, definitely get it, because there might be some bugs or glitches. But outside of that, that's how it works. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.